Will we get her done before the snow flies? Stay tuned. The weather's turning quickly here in Montana. Going great guns here, trying to get this thing done. The weather's turning quickly here in Montana, and it's already the middle of October, and trying to get out of here in the next 2.5 weeks or so. So the basement is now enclosed, and I got the stairway going downstairs finished off. And so now I'm jumping in on upstairs, which is going to be the main living area for the winter for Terry's daughter and her boyfriend. So getting the nickel gap trim wood on the ends here so that I can do this foam on the ceilings. That'll be in that shape until next spring, till we're going to put cool metal ceilings on. On this other wall in the bedroom here, after doing this main wall on this side, and that wall and this wall, we're going to get a thin coat of drywall with beadboard on top of it. And then we got to do a bunch of drywalling in the bathroom and the laundry room down at the other end. But basically trying to get as much done as quick as possible to make the house livable for the winter, and then we're going to come back in the spring to finish off all the trim details and get her dialed in properly. But for now, it's just a matter of making it livable, making it functional for the winter. Well, we are still in Montana, and it's getting like a little past time when we should have been gone. I don't know how well you can see that, but yes, it is snowing. It is getting to be late October, getting some drywall on. We're getting some beadboard on top of that, and so then the plan is, this is the kitchen area here. We're going to get some cabinets installed as quick as possible.
This has been a really fun process. My granddaughter actually found us some 1957 General Electric metal cabinets, which we just love. And it's like really retro.
To deal with.
And
so those are going in the corner over there, and we're going to just try to get the things as functional as possible. But this freaking cold front and snowstorm, there's a snow advisory in place. It's been snowing for an hour or two now. There's more coming for the next couple hours, a bunch of hours this evening. But it's 32 outside right now, but this place is just insulated. There's no heat source of any kind. But we have, I'm adding this extra 2-inch layer of foam up on the ceiling up here so that the R21 of the bats up here, because it's only 2x6 framing up top, goes to at least R31 anyway in the ceiling. But temperature inside is about 46 or 47, so not too bad for not having any kind of heat source going on. We'll see how it feels by tomorrow morning. Where that shot from a couple of weeks ago was. And hey, there's a house here now. And snow, and really cold. Starts. We're getting out of here. It's like 15 degrees. Wind chill's like 8. I can't understand why the solar panels aren't making any power.
Good boy.
Dangerous or anything.
Good boy. Can I open this?
Oh, man. How old are you?
Hey, buddy.
See, I'm 19.
Oh, frozen, sorry.
I could get in trouble.
Extra chewy.
Yeah, a little chewy.
Yes.
Crunch, crunch, crunch. So yeah, so I really didn't film any of the cabinet installation as we were getting the house ready to go for last fall, or almost winter at that point. Basically, the trick with them was that they were from a particular configuration that had been, was already in place somewhere. So we had to sort of rearrange them and figure out what setup would work best for their kitchen situation here, and what would make the most sense for the use of all the different sizes of the cabinetry. And so that's basically what we did. We kind of shuffled them all around and tried them in different configurations until we came up with a real nice plan that would work out for them. Basically got them installed, but the problem was we were basically out of time, and we had to order laminate for new countertops that I'm going to make custom, and that wasn't going to arrive for weeks. And so basically we just took some plywood and I set up, mounted that on top of the cabinets temporarily so that we could get a sink installed, and they could put appliances and things on and use them throughout the winter. So again, have a good functional kitchen space. It turned out to be quite the drama getting the place functional in time for for us to get out of there as quick as we were into early November at that point when we had to get out of there. So we got it functional, and the heat got working in the basement, and we also got the electric heaters working on the upper level so that, again, it could function throughout the winter, and we got the heck out of there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Be sure to come on back on the next episode. If you're not subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification little bell there, so as videos come up, they'll pop up and get you a notification for those. We'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.
Here we go, leaving Montana, leaving Terry's. Beautiful Montana with snow everywhere. Getting the hell out of here. Although it is quite pretty with the sun, isn't it? It just sucks you in until you walk outside. There's Eric on the talkie. Yeah, I'm filming right now, saying we're leaving Montana and how pretty it is. Yeah, we loved it. It was fun.